Hello and welcome. This is Jit Dolakia and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. A massive winter storm is making its way through Atlantic Canada, has forced school closures and flight cancellations, halted ferry services and left hundreds of thousands of customers without power on Thursday morning. Meteorologists said winds have been recorded as high as 143 kilometers an hour in Twillingate and waves were reaching heights of 50 meters. Large waves have been predicted all the way from White Bay in western Newfoundland to Cape Race, with the weather agency saying it could be worst at high tide and lead to flooding and damage to seaside infrastructure. The weather agency said winds could gust to 110 km per hour in mainland Newfoundland and Labrador, where snowfall amounts were in forecast to reach 25 centimeters in the central portion of the province. More than 3 lakh customers were without power across the Maritimes on Thursday morning. Crews are hoping to restore power as they struggle with heavy winds, whiteout conditions, poor roads and fallen trees. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Jit Dolakia. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.